The Clarke CLS405 405mm electric swivel log saw is a safe and powerful log saw for home and DIY use. With a sturdy steel construction and tough powder-coated finish, this log saw utilizes a swivel cradle operation for safe and reliable log cutting. Featuring a powerful 230-volt 2.2 kilowatt motor, it is able to cut logs up to a maximum diameter of 140 millimeters, with lengths from 250 to 1000 millimeters. Perfect for those who want to easily prepare their logs for the colder seasons, the CLS405 is designed for safe two-handed operation and features a spring-loaded anti-kickback safety sawguard. A simple-to-use length stop at the end of the machine easily enables repeated length sawing to keep your sawn logs at a consistent size. For added stability and safety, the log saw can be bolted onto the floor if required, using the 8mm holes provided. Once your logs are cut to length, you can split them with one of the many log splitters available from your local Clarke stockist. Supplied with a 405mm TCT saw blade, log carriage return spring, internal guard covers, log carriage with hinged hatch, fixing pack, carriage guards and a log carriage extension. The Clarke CLS405 405mm swivel log saw will give you many years of efficient log sawing.